In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Kernel32.dll is missing from your computer. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here to Google and you want to type in Kernel32.dll download. You'll get a website like www.dll-files. So click here, and here you need to download the DLL folder. So before you download, you want to go here to your computer and see what operating system you're running. So mine is 64-bit. So if it's 64-bit, then you download the 64-bit version. If it's 32, then download the 32 version. So I will download this one. After it downloads, now I will open it here. So this is the one. So I would basically extract the folder and then I would remove this. So this is the folder that we need. So now go to this PC, C drive, and here go to Windows. Go to Systems 32. So it should be this one. And here you can just simply drag the folder. So what you need to do is just grab it and drag it like this, and after you drag it, click replace, and you can just leave this and close this down. So once you have done this, now you want to go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. Now here you want to type the following command. So dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, and press enter, and then type in here. So you want to type in sfc/scan now, and then press enter. Now this will scan your computer and fix any issues, and it will fix also errors related to DLL folders. So once it's done scanning and repairing the issues, you can close it down, and this should fix your issue.